morning mga kayo. Um, Kuyog ta mag-camping mi sa Santa Cruz, California. Camping and fishing. Together with Junjun, Ems, Andy, and Ellie. Ang among camping buddies and fishing buddies.
Yay!
So, see you mga kayo!
3-day weekend!
Naabot namin sa Santa Cruz Pier, Wharf. Muna ang view din ni. Nasa lang mga restaurants. There. Yeah. Ibabaw ni sa dagat. Ibuhatan nila parking lot. Yeah. Meet the anglers. Pwede ka mag-fishing there. Park diha. Yeah, mag-fishing ka. Daghan kay birds, oh. So meaning daghang birds kay daghan pug bait fish. Kanang atbang kay mo na ang kanang kuan boardwalk nilang amusement park, mga rides.
Kanala, di na malunod.
Yeah, malunod eh. Tagpila kay kuan na no, bayad no? No, isa ka tao dili siguro. Siguro mga $100 per person siguro.
Kuwat na nagmakarala ko.
Santa Cruz,
Ha?
Chardonnay, the second.
500 naman ako.
8314231213
Fishing na sila or tour ah?
tour.
You wanna try?
Tikoy, dagat tunta, hi lalab. Tiko kay dagat tunta. In Santa Cruz, you can see some sea lions. They're just resting. Nani ka sayon mamasol sa amo ah. Ikog na yun ako. Naghan ako pa.
Expertise not needed.
Hey. Sadang. Mulang ijig.
Ano na? Mahadlo kong madool kay basig mahog na ko yung phone. Live ni ha, live.
Wow man.
No. While waiting, look at that, they're swimming. Basan mga lifeguard na.
Wow man. Ano kasi nga, daghan na ko, upat na kabok.
Unya, ako'y tikuha siya. Expertise not necessary.
Ay, mong ante, daghan kay kuha. Nay, pilan po, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh. Wani undang lumasol, sige lang pamasol, daghan namin kuha, mga 300 na po. Sa Santa Cruz. Good morning mga kayo. It's our third day here in Koa Camp in Santa Cruz. It's early in the morning. I just woke up. It's drizzling and kind of overcast. This is our view. This is our deck for our deck cabin that our friend rented and invited us to camp with them. It's the main door, and that's a barbecue grill. And this is the camp. Early in the morning, and on that side in front of us is the tent area where you can tent side by side too. And let's go at the back. So this is the backyard. You can do some barbecue there, campfire, and that's the reception area and a grocery too, where you can buy your stuff if you forgot something. And that's the you can park where kulang imuhang parking sa inyong area. And that's staged over there where they have their activities. Hello mga kayo, tapos na ang among 2 days, 3 nights weekend vacation sa Santa Cruz, California, camping and fishing. We had a good time with our friends.
We're back home.
We're back home and back to work tomorrow. I hope you have a good day mga kayo.
Yes, we have a good day. I'm
Yes, we have a good day. Bye you.